T-Series, yeah! It's your big day. Woo! Incredible job! I know we had our differences, but today, I just want to tell you, hey, congratulations. It's your celebration. I party all day and you've been waiting. Hey, congratulations. It's a celebration. I just want to tell you that I think that you're amazing. Hey, congratulations to your corporation. Billion nations. Yeah, you did it very nice. Now it did. Was a massive for massive in Bollywood. Now you're a #1. Hope you did nothing wrong by starting your business by selling pirated songs. Oh, dude, it's right there in Wikipedia. You said that that's only die media. I'm sure that you had no collusions with the mafia. I'm sure that you had no collusion. False illegal, isn't that to go for illegal, isn't that to go for serious mafia? Serious mafia, please don't kill me, that's a joke. Yeah, I'm sorry about things, you're the best. I'm with my Indian bros from Bombay, Bangladesh. I'll say, come on through for your upper heavy hit. But today's a slapping day, but today's a crisis, so you can call me. Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting. Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. I just want to tell you that I think that you're amazing. 1 billion letters in the post. What is this? T-Series is significant. I had a problem with me holding defecation, so let me introduce you, silly. That's not education. No, T-Series can be still a deformation. But Swedish people still a deformation. India, that's it. So I call you to the caste system. Ooh. They so crashing. Looks like I'm still crashed. I like it probably, but never mind the poor people. We see you're old hobby. Not alcoholic, cause I got a real problem. Is it? We're about to kamikaze. Now this is it. Thanks for sticking with my channel. Ever since I was so nobody screaming barrel. Oh, it's the yay. It's pizza time. Be back, guys.